Okay, Mickey, we've just come down these tremendous stairs. I imagine going up is going to be a lot harder than coming down. It's like walking down the side of a mountain. Mickey, why did we come down these stairs? I don't think anybody understood what you just said. Let's go check it out. So we've falls, yes. Niagara Falls. Yeah, well, not quite, but impressive nonetheless. We've walked down the side of the mountain, and check this out. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is these waterfalls are about a 2-minute ride from Inoshishi Wild Boar Park. So we thought we'd do 2 trips in one. Wow. Now that is pretty cool. And it goes way up. So you can see how low down we are and how far we came from way up there. There's Miki taking my picture while I take hers. Okay.